Today I'm at the karaoke and I'll just enjoy like you do. Guess what? With ramen, with yum yum chicken. Korean fried chicken, I don't know how to pronounce it. Lots of great food you can try here actually. They are doing an Asian fair at the moment. And I am trying this shoyu ramen. Because, well, ramen is good. And shake fries. Gotta love that. And trust me, I can eat it all. And of course, the yum yum chicken. Someone please correct me, God. I love fried chicken. 10 out of 10. But I came here to sing karaoke, so let's go.